Hi guys, in this video we are going to be learning how to evaluate function notation. So you'll see in this first problem up here we have if f of x equals 2x minus 3, find the following. So this f of x right here is simply just naming the function. The name of the function is f and we plug in some value x into the equation to get a number out. So looking at this first problem here, a f of 7, what this is asking us to do is to plug in 7 wherever we see an x. So that 7 is going to take the place of the x that's with the 2. And what we're going to do is we're just going to evaluate this. So we're going to do 2 times 7, which is 14, and then minus 3. 14 minus 3 is 11. So f of 7 equals 11. What this means is that we plugged in 7 into the equation f and we got out 11. So let's take a look at the next one. It says f of negative 4. So we're going to plug in negative 4. So 2 times negative 4 is negative 8 minus 3. We get negative 11. So f of negative 4 is negative 11. Now we'll see in C that it's a little different of a notation. It says find x if f of x is equal to 5. So this is not asking us to plug 5 in for x anymore. What it's telling us to do is to set the equation f of x equal to 5. So we're going to set 5 equal to 2x minus 3. We want to solve for x. We don't know x, we don't know what's being plugged in, but we know that the output, the end number, is going to be 5. So we'll add 3 to both sides. We get 8 equals 2x. Divide by 2 on both sides, we get x equals 4. So in this notation, it's asking us to set the equation equal to 5. Now I want to go through one more problem with you guys, and that's down in 2a. Because you'll notice that we have if h of x equals x squared minus 3x plus 5, find the following. So it's still asking us to do the same thing. You'll notice that now we have h of x, and that's just a different name for a function because it's a different function than the one that we were working with up at the top. But you'll also notice that we have a little bit of a longer equation here. When you're plugging in, so h of negative 3, when you're plugging in something into a long equation, what you want to do is make sure that you use parentheses. And this is especially important if you're plugging this into your calculator, because your calculator won't give you the correct answer if you don't put it in properly. So you'll notice that I put negative 3 in for all the x's. So there was an x here, there was an x here, negative 3 went in for all of them. So negative 3 squared is actually 9. That's where the parentheses come in, because negative 3 squared is negative 3 times negative 3. So negative 3 squared is 9. Negative 3 times negative 3 is actually positive 9 as well, and then plus 5. 9 plus 9 is 18. We're just moving from left to right, following order of operations. So 18 plus 5, that's going to give us 23 equals h of negative 3. So again, what this is telling us in mathematical language is that we plug negative 3 into the equation h and we got out 23. And so this is our answer. So the most important takeaway from this video is knowing when to plug in to the equation and when to know to solve for x and set the equation equal. So you'll see in A, B, and then the second A, we were plugging in, and then C over here, they were asking us to set the equation equal to 5. So if you know the difference between those two, you are good to go. Thanks for watching.